Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, I really appreciate it. Today, putting up these boxes like I was saying yesterday. These are for the home runs. So we got almost this half done, we got 8 of them done, so I don't want to walk over there, so I'll show you this one. Basically, these 3 right here already had the bends in them from when we were up here a couple months ago. So basically just drilled the holes, 2 on this side, 2 on the back side, put the connectors on, slip it on there, and then screw it down, pull the wires through the back, and then just leaving the covers there and the little screws package, the ground screw and the cover screws in the boxes. So there's those 3 or 4. I skipped that one that was behind me. Then turn the corner. There's just so much like dust in the air, it's ridiculous. Like, no wonder why I feel sick. My lungs are like broken right now. Can you see all this dust in the air? Like, it's unbelievable. Yeah, I'm gonna get AIDS or something, I don't know. So the only pipe that I bent today, actually I had the apprentice bend this one straight one, and then I bent the second one, and then had to mess with this for a little bit. Actually, it turned out pretty great. They were actually going to be sitting on top of each other, but I think after the strap or something, the spacing turned out perfectly. So had to put a little offset right here. I had to mess with it forever. Not forever, but I'd say like 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes. So just little small offsets are always a little problem for me. So anyways, got that on there. Turned out looking real nice. Turned the corner here into the side of this box. So one room is going over there, and then this room is going right below us. And then one right here. And then these ones are just going in straight. And then another set over here. These ones are going in straight too, so these were super easy. But what we've been doing is just putting a board on the bottom to screw the box in on the bottom, and then putting this board on top to screw that screw in right there. So if you can see that, there's a screw right there. So it's been pretty easy, just time consuming. Just got to drill the holes, use the cutting oil so it doesn't destroy the drill bits or anything. So just a process. So here's the last 2. It looks like this one, I'll probably have to do a little offset off the wall into that one, and then the top one just gonna probably 90 and then come in to the side of the box. It's gonna go right here. So, and then that's 10 of them, and then we got to do the other 10 down at the other side. So it's really hard to breathe up here. Like, I don't know how I've made it all day, like, so bad. Anyways, then we have to go to the other side and do the other 10. So hope you guys enjoy this, just a little what I did today video. So I'll get back to some how-to videos once we're done up here, which is probably going to be a couple days. So look at all that dust, it's so bad. So that'll probably be maybe Friday I can be getting back to some how-to videos, but I don't know. I think we're all caught up. I don't think they're ready for another floor of trim yet or whatever. So we're on the middle of the building or section B on the 2nd floor. So we've done the 4th floor of building A, so 4, 3, 2, 1, and then on the middle of B we've done 4 and 3, so now we're down to 2. So basically half the building is trimmed out right now, except for the vanity lights, outside lights, and something else is missing. Some of the under counter lights, so under cabinet lights. Sorry Dad. So hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for all the support. 100,000 views. Let me know what you guys want for the giveaway. I don't want it to be more than like 30 or 40 bucks. I have a brand new level in my closet if you guys want a Greenlee level, $40 level. But if you guys want like some strippers, let me know what you guys want. what you guys would be interested in, and then I'll have to figure out how to do like the random generator comment thing. So make sure you're subscribed and drop a comment, and let me know what you guys want for the giveaway, and then I'll probably announce that like next week or something, and then yeah, so we'll go from there. And hopefully you guys enjoy that, and of course I will show the packaging of that thing, not the person's address, but I'll show myself shipping that product away so you guys believe me, just in case anything is up in the air. So alright guys, let me know what you guys want for the giveaway, like strippers, dikes, anything like that. I probably won't give you anything used, so I'll buy something brand new. And alright guys, that's enough for this video. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Drop it a like and subscribe if you want to support me, and check back tomorrow for what I'm doing for work. Alright guys, peace out. See ya. Thanks.